I'm Kirsten.
I'm Brooke.
And this is the B&K Pinky Show. Oh my god. Alright, there's a hill there. I always forget that when we roll down that. I always forget that we're going to roll again. Okay. Let's go. There's a car. Wait, Ton. Act like a statue. Okay, it's gone. Woo! That guy right there is scary.
I'm going. Look, we're on.
Scary. Scary, scary, scary.
The back way flip out, the back way flip out.
Do it again, do it again.
The back way flip out, the back way flip out.
Okay, let's go. Dun 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 dun. Ow!
You want to see me dance?
Let's go dance.
Okay.
Oh, you're dancing. Okay.
Gotta work out my stuff.
Stretching. Stretch, stretch, girl. Yeah, work it.
Okay. I'm ready. Huh?
Orange shirt.
Okay. What do you want me to do?
Dance.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
I'm tired. Take it away, Kirsten. I'll dance for you later. I didn't stretch enough.